Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy AM coming to you with another unboxing video. This time we got this cool USB microphone. It's a Samsung portable microphone. So if you're interested in what this box contains, stay tuned to this video. See ya. So what we have right here is the Samsung USB microphone. It's a portable microphone that you can take with you on the go. I picked this up on sale, so it was pretty cheap, but I wanted to get one of these things because I like to travel and I want to be able to record stuff while I'm on the road, and so this microphone seems like a perfect deal for me. So what we have here is our trusty blade. Ew, we got some tape on it, but this is our blade. So we're going to cut inside this package and see what we have inside. Here's the front of the cover. We have Samsung. It's not Samsung, but it's Samsung, so whatever that is. And then it says it's for voice chatting, podcasting, and gaming and streaming. I guess you can only pick this up at Best Buy. It connects to USB, connects to the top of your computer like so. Here's the side of it. That's right there. Here's the computer. The microphone sits on top. Better than probably your laptop that you have with you. You sit up on top, you can chat into it. You know, if you want to do some Skype calls, you can do it with that. If you want to do some streaming, you can also use it as a microphone for that. But I really want to use it for like voiceover work while I'm going on my travels. I've been away for about 2 weeks, long vacation, and I want to put up more and more videos about our vacation and things like that. And so this will allow me to do that while I'm on the road. So I give everybody like update videos and all that stuff. So it's like on the go. And that's what it says right here: on the go, capture sound, and then you can record anywhere. So it's just a basic microphone at the top. That's the bottom of it. So let's just dig inside and see what we have in here. I picked up one of these things for my little bro for Christmas last year, and I wanted one myself. Turns out they had a really good deal on it, so I picked one up. Easy peasy. So let's get into the box, see what we have inside in terms of the goodies. So overall, the quality of the box isn't like too great. It's just like, you know, basic cardboard and stuff like that. We keep digging inside. We have the little device right here, wrapped in nice little plastic so you don't get any cardboard scratches on it. So it's like this. It's very portable. Looks like you just flip out like that, and then you set it up on your computer. So I guess this goes on the back of your computer right here, and then you just twist it up like that. Oh, that's kind of cool. Pretty neat. So let's look at this real quick again. So it folds in like this. So that's the back side of the microphone. This is the front side. Back of the device. Right here is the back of the device. So say you have a laptop like this and then you want to hook it up. So you'll need to open up the device like such. Here, open up like this way. See that? And then you turn it this way, so you can have it standing straight up, and then you put it on top of your laptop like this. So you grab the clip and then you put it on the screen on the top like that. And then you have a pretty cool little microphone set up for your laptop, so you can do like type your little stuff. Obviously this is bigger than a laptop, but this is kind of how it works. So it's pretty cool. First impressions, it's kind of heavy. The clip feels really good. This feels really resistant, so it looks like it's gonna hold in place like that. Microphone feels a bit light, but the base feels heavy, so that's good. The swivel is a really nice little action, so you can do like little stuff like this, so you can make it kind of cool. Like this, put to you forward. I think the vocal patterns come out from right here, so when you speak into, you have to have like this little Samsung thing looking towards you. The design of putting it away is kind of nice because it protects the microphone on the inside, and then the back side is where the clamps onto that. So I kind of dig it. It's a cool little device. I mean, for 20 bucks, I think it was worth it. Originally they cost about $40, but I got mine on sale. So we dig inside the box even more. what we have here is a little case. The case is kind of flimsy. It's kind of wild looking, but let's just check it out. So that's the case. So you put the microphone in and it just zips up like so. And then you have the Samson logo on it. Not Samsung, but Samsung. I haven't really heard like what the quality of the microphones are, if they're any good or not, but for the portability and then ease of use, I think that's pretty good. I mean, you can put that anywhere, put that in your pocket. So inside the box comes with a USB cable, connects to your device. So let's check it out. So we have the cable here. You have your little USB mini. And let's see if we get in focus. There we go. And then regular USB. So we'll open inside the device and check out how it connects. So it looks like it just connects on the side right there. See? Plug it into there. You can plug headphones into that, and then you can just connect it to your device. So let's just pull the sucker out like that. I'm already getting used to it. So that goes on top of your laptop, and then you have it on the side like that. Or unless you want to be all fancy, you can do like this and then have it come off the top. Whatever you want to do, I don't care. Pretty dope. So it comes with that. Those are all the pieces. And then it comes with a user manual, but we don't need to know how to look at that because we're all smart and everything, so we know what's going on. So that's pretty much it for the little device. I think it's pretty cool. I think I'll be using it when I go on vacation and things like that. So like the past 2 weeks I was out of town. This would have been great if I had one of these things. So anyways, that's the Samsung USB, not Samsung, Samsung USB microphone. So if you like what you've seen, please hit that like button. If you want to tell me what's up, go into the comment section and ask me anything you want to ask, and I'll always there to answer any questions or say, hey, what's up, I like your videos, that'd be great. If you want to see more of this awesome content, then you need to hit that subscribe button, because this knife will be opening up more boxes. Thank you very much. Peace.